Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Itch is here. Itch is there. Can you girls go use the itching post that we have? Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Coming on out, sister. Good morning. Give you a chin scratch. Have a good day. Good morning, little chicks. Got them some water and food, so they're good to go for a little while. Good morning, bunnies. They've got plenty of water and Timothy pellets, so they're good to go. Good morning, honey. Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. Have a great day, Felicia. Good morning. Good morning, Dwayne. While we're cleaning the coop, we're gonna let the girls out. Stay on our side, please. Here's what we're starting with. And only one helper today. We got the coop clean, and now we're gonna collect some eggs. Now we're gonna see if this lady has any under her. None under her. Here's what we collected. Now we're gonna get the Bantam coop clean. Looks like everyone's enjoying the sunshine and getting some bathing done. Here's what we're starting with in here. We got it clean in here. Now we're gonna collect the eggs. All right, you wanna show me how many you got?
4.
Cool. So the sun sail wasn't broken. It just needs these things put back on. And I looked for them. This one was still hanging up here. So, giant waste of time, but glad we hadn't lost it. We got the sun sail back up. When we were bringing the wagons in, Harlow made sure that she broke in with them. So, apparently she's gonna hang out with us in here while we scoop stalls. This guy's really happy to help do stalls today. Thanks, bud. You're a good helper. The girls are more interested in doing chick holding, aren't ya? Yeah. Blakely is holding Honey, giving Luca or Lennox an easy way to get her area clean today. We got the bunny area clean, so now they have their treat. Honey's getting some extra snuggles before he gets his treats. The chickens are doing a great job staying out of the neighbor's yard, so they've got to stay out a lot longer today than they usually do. Good job, girls. They heard me talking, so they think I'm bringing treats. Not yet, unless you're ready to go to bed. What are you guys doing? It's not bedtime yet. I was just coming to see what you girls were doing. Sorry, get you all worked up. Was just coming to say hi. Getting a bedtime snack, Bridget. Good call. Well, they made me feel bad, so kind of to their own demise. They'll get their snack early, but also have to go back into the run early. Let's go, girls. Into the run. Let's go. Go on in. Good job, girls. Bantams are about to lose it. I'm coming. Be patient. And I saved some for the jealous girls. There you go. While I'm out here, I'm going to go ahead and grab Esmeralda's egg too. The puddle these ducks are playing in is from me dumping out their baby pool. It's crazy how far they're sticking their face into the dirt. I guess mud. Your baby pool's all nice and clean now, so they can bring some dirt into it so it'll look like it did 10 minutes ago. Come on in. Good job, girls. Hello, little chicks. The chicks have water and some feed still in their feeder. Good night, girls. The girls got their water filled up, so they're getting some water. Felicity's over here eating what I dumped out of their treat ball. They put it into their water bowl and made a nasty mess, but apparently it tastes yummy because what I beat out of it, Felicity's just eating it right up. Bridget's getting some love from Luca. He's coming to see what's going on over here. The treat bowl. Gonna eat it. Sorry. I don't think I'll buy these again. I don't seem to hate them, but they're about the same price as the bamboo sticks. And I feel like they really love the bamboo sticks compared to those. One of those? Anyone else? One, Hallie? There we go. Once they start eating them, they like them, but I definitely don't take on them like they do with the bamboos. Dove just got done being all brushed out by Luca. You look pretty, Dove. These big girls have decided to lay down. Good night, girls. While Luca's loving on the cows, I'm gonna go ahead and close the chickens up. The bantams are all on the roost, so I'll see them tomorrow. Good night, guys. The ducks are just playing in their water. That now already looks like I didn't do anything with it earlier. So I'm gonna convince them to go to bed and then close everyone else up. Go on in, guys. Go on in. Everyone's up on the roost. The mean girls are over here for some reason, but we're gonna close everyone up. See you in the morning, guys. Ember's getting her brushes. You look pretty, Ember. Harlow's getting her brushes outside of the stall because Ember doesn't like to share. Giving Bridget some brushes. Good girl, Bridge. Gonna give Atlee some brushes. Sleepy. The day started out pretty cold, but once it warmed up, we were able to spend some time with the animals. We had some great help during chore time. Now it's time for bed. They've all been loved on and had their treats. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.